This will be your final call. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Iconic by the rail on the outside, Prince Isaiah, and Charming Liar in between horses on the outside is Platinum Lance. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Iconic in the lead, followed by Prince Isaiah on the outside, and Charming Liar running in third by half a length on the outside is Platinum Lance, Mr. Saber, Monte Napoleone. Rounding the far turn, it is still Iconic by a length and a half, followed by Prince Isaiah on the outside in second. And remaining in third is entry number 4, Charming Liar. And moving up on the outside is Platinum Lance. And at the last bend for home, it is still Iconic by half a length, followed by Prince Isaiah on the outside. On the farther outside is Charming Liar, the favorite. And moving up now on the outside is Platinum Lance. And at the top of the stretch, Prince Isaiah moving up on the outside. Prince Isaiah on the outside, Iconic by the rail. And Charming Liar moving up on the farther outside. And nearing the payoff line, Prince Isaiah and Iconic by the rail, Charming Liar. And finally, Prince Isaiah, Iconic, Charming Liar, Platinum Lance, Mr. Saber, Monte Napoleone.
Okay.